everybody, welcome back to another PicsArt how-to. Today, we're gonna show you how to create emoji background edits. So, starting off, choose a transparent background. Go to your stickers and type in emoji. Choose your favorite emoji and then add it to your background. So what you're gonna do is just duplicate this to get all the emojis that you like on your background. Go back to your stickers and then choose any other emoji that would complement your background. Keep on repeating the steps and then you'll get the perfect emoji background. Save this to your photos, then go back and choose the original image that you wanted to edit your emoji background on. Okay, go to crop and then choose portrait. This way your emoji background will sit perfectly on top of your image. So, what you'll need to do is go to photos and add the emoji background that you just created on top of your image. Then scale it to size and click on eraser tool. Click on portrait and this way your portrait will stand out and all the emojis will go in the background. Then go to effects and click on focal zoom. This effect is really cool to keep the focus on you and make the background zoom out. So that's it, you guys. We just showed you how to create an emoji background edit from scratch.